Hi everyone, welcome back. If you have a PooLin embroidery machine, what can you embroider? Today we are going to embroider on socks together. Not only can you make them cute for yourself, but they are also perfect as gifts for your family and friends, or even a fun little embroidery business. And today, I'm going to show you how to embroider on socks without extra tools, zero cost, just your machine and some socks. Alright, let's take a look at the materials you will need. A pair of socks, cutaway stabilizer, water-soluble stabilizer, a few pins, the smallest hoop, and your embroidery machine. Okay, now let's get to the fun part. First, cut a piece of stabilizer just a little bigger than your hoop. One layer is all you need. For socks, we are sticking with the floating method. That means you only need to hoop the stabilizer. So go ahead and hoop it. Now for the main part, let's use some pins to secure our sock onto the hoop. Step 1. Mark the sock so you know exactly where to stitch your design. Now flip your sock back over so it's ready for fixing and stitching. Then grab some pins and start by securing the top edge of your sock. If you have the spray adhesive, go ahead and use it. It helps secure the sock in this step, but to make sure it stays really steady, we will still pin it with 2 pins. Flip the other side of the sock outward to expose the embroidery area and pin it in place again. Now the upper and the lower spots for stitching are all set and ready. Next, let's secure the left and right sides. You will notice the sock has stripes. Just gently stretch and adjust them so the stripes are as vertical as possible. Fix both sides the same way, 1 pin each. And be careful not to pull too hard, or the stitch design could get all wrinkly. Great job! The hardest part is done. For the final preparation, place the hoop on the machine, choose your design, and use trace to check the placement. Before we start stitching, the final important step is to place the water-soluble stabilizer. Socks can be a bit uneven, and this stabilizer helps your embroidery come out perfect smooth. Time to go! Click ready, then start, and let's get stitching. And then let the machine do its magic. Embroidery on socks is really no different from embroidering on fabric. Just relax and enjoy the process. Let's remove the hoop, peel off the water-soluble stabilizer, and check out the final result. Look at this, no extra tools, zero cost, and now you have got your very own custom embroidered socks. Pretty cool, right? If you want to give it a try, go ahead and start. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will reply. Or if there's something you want to see me embroider with PooLin, let me know in the comments too. See you in the next video!